I want to show you guys how easy it is to make a good stevia soda. I've been drinking stevia, but it's like at least $1 a can. You know, you get 5.80 something for a 6-pack of those suckers. So I looked up different ways to make your own soda. Basically, you just want to take seltzer water and pour it in real slow. And 2 liters be just right for 1 package of Kool-Aid, whatever flavor you want to use. Or if you want to use an extract like hazelnut, or you can even buy like root beer extract. That'd be the way to go, is just to buy a bunch of different flavors. It'd be even cheaper than Kool-Aid because it's like 20 to 28 cents a pack of that, and it's about $1.30 something for this. And then this just about stirs itself. All these diet sodas with these nasty fake sugars, and this right here is a good natural drop. It just about stirs itself, but I go ahead and stir it lightly. So far I've only made about 3 of these suckers. You can get like $50 worth of soda for like $10. Talking to a doctor that I spoke to a while back, they just stay away from soda. You know, I never really drank a whole lot of soda before I started the Paleo Diet, but he said just take Kool-Aid and stevia, mix it together, and then you have, you know, a good sweet drink. That was whenever I was over 300 pounds, and he was trying to get me to do the surgery where they shorten your intestines, like a weight loss surgery. And I figured they're gonna put you on a diet even when you go on that, so you might as well just go on a diet. If you have all your intestines, you're able to absorb more nutrients. But I don't add the sweetener. If I stick like powdered stevia in here, it'll foam up and it'll lose a lot of its fizz. But if you just get the flavoring in, it don't cause a whole lot of fizz, or it doesn't take away a whole lot of the carbonation. That's the whole point of doing this, is that you want the bite of the soda. I've heard some people say that just the carbonation from the soda is bad for you, but they made it to settle people's stomachs whenever they were uneasy. I don't see what's so bad about that. There's always ways to get exactly what you want, the same price as unhealthy stuff. You're basically going to spend about $2 on a soda, or on a 2-liter bottle of soda, but it's going to be healthy. You can make your own type of Propel water with Kool-Aid if you want to add like all the vitamins and stuff, but I'm not going to do it. Too much. Anyhow, so we got that. What I'll do is I'll keep this. I got it. I just used a can opener to open it up. Okay. And with the clear stevia, you're not going to cause it to foam up a whole lot. It might just a little bit. got a ton of stevia in it. I just like one dropper full, about 16 drops. That should be just about right. I'll just use a handle of this. You know, each time you get your soda, you're just going to pour it and then put some drops of stevia in it, and then you have your soda. So, hope you enjoy, and leave your comments below on how you like it. It tastes exactly like any other soda.